It doesn't seem that. I know I'm not. I don't know where I'm at. Am I a bird? I'm in a place in the middle of nowhere. Just looking back and forth. With this man right there with the camera. I'm looking in the other direction. Left, right. Up, down, up, down. Oh, is that it? Is that it? No, that's not it. What is it? I'm just standing here, just chilling. You know, relaxing, doing my bird thing. Just out here, just chilling. Don't know where I'm at. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I want. I don't know. Where is the ocean at? Where is the ocean? That's what we're looking for. I don't have it on my GPS. Is it that way? I wanna go walk. Yeah. All I see is just nothing but buildings. I'm gonna keep walking. The wind is pretty strong. Gotta keep walking. That it? No. No, that's not. I don't know. Don't know what I'm at. Again, don't know what I'm doing. Hearing noise in the background. Wish that person could stop. I'm just gonna stay there for a long time. Oh, look, another bird. Hey! Jimmy! Salut! Is that it? No? No, they're both walking away. They're both birds. They're both walking away. What's the action? This is supposed to be a romantic film. Out there, it's a birdies in the hotel. It's just chilling there, like a long while. I think this is the best place ever. That'll be it. Yep. That'll be it. That'll be it. Yep. Look, 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 look. Look cute, look like bird. There we go. That's it, take a picture. Nice. Chase. 3, 2, 1. Game over.